What's with the long face, Mary?
I'm worried, Jack.
Why are you worried?
Graduation is just around the corner. And I still don't know what I want to do. Do you know what you want to do with the rest of your life?
I love playing video games, and I've always wanted to make them. 5 years from now, I will have joined a video game development company.
Wow, it is so great that you know what you want to do. I envy you because I don't have a clue what I want to do. It's freaking me out a little bit. I feel like there is so much pressure to know what I'm going to do with my life. What else do you see yourself doing?
I will have mastered most of the skills needed to be a game developer by then. I also want to be a family man. 5 years from now, I will have built a family of my own. Or at least be in a serious relationship.
Do you think you will have gotten married before you become successful?
Of course, I will be. I will make sure of that. In fact, in 5 years, my mom will have become a grandmother. Actually, 5 years may be a little fast for me to be a dad.
I envy you for having such well laid out plans and vision for your future. I wish it were that easy for me. I try to figure out what I want to do, but all I seem to come up with are lame ideas.
Haven't you always wanted to become a writer? By the time I land my first job, I'm thinking you will have published a book. If you want to, that is.
You have so much faith in me, Jack. I wish I had the same faith in myself.
Oh, don't worry. You will have figured out what you want to do soon enough. Why not ask your parents for some advice? I know they probably have great ideas.
I know one thing. I will have asked for their advice by dinner time. Thanks for the suggestion.
Is something bothering you, Mary?
Did something happen at school today?
Nothing terrible. It's just that graduation is right around the corner. And I still don't know what I want to do.
Haven't you always wanted to be a writer?
Yes, but what if I'm no good at writing? I don't know what to do.
You are growing up so fast. I can't believe you will be going to college soon. It seems like it was only yesterday, when I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do in life. I was so worried, just like you are.
Really? Tell me about it, Dad.
Ever since I was young, I wanted to be a doctor. But when graduation started to get close, I began to doubt my choice.
But you are a doctor.
Correct. But I was worried like you are without an ounce of worry. I don't think I would have realized what my capabilities were. I was worried. I wasn't smart enough. I doubted my ability to get through the classes. But the doubt and worry I felt pushed me to work much harder than I would have without it.
I put myself under a lot of pressure too. Looking back, I didn't doubt my abilities. I was stressed about picking the one thing I was going to be the rest of my life. It didn't occur to me that lots of people change occupations through their lifetime. A little bit of worry or concern is normal, but don't let it eat you up. You are capable of doing anything you want to do, including being a writer, if that is what you want to do. All you have to do is have the determination and a can-do attitude.
So, don't worry too much, okay? You will have everything figured out. When the time is right, give yourself a break and let up on the self-imposed stress. Relax and research occupations to find out what piques your interest. But no rush, take your time.
And no matter what your decision is, you know that we will support you.
Thanks, Mom and Dad. Jack was right. You are great at giving advice.
Now, enough worrying. How about we eat dinner?